Welcome to Cooking with Grace.
What are you guys playing with today?
A Stampin' Top pizza from Playdoh.
Oh. It's one of the Play-Doh kitchen creations. The Stampin' Top pizza.
What did you...
Gracie got this for her birthday. And we just are now getting around to open it. But show us what it does. What are you cooking, Grace?
You mean what mash? Oh. I don't know where the card went that we were
It's okay.
It was an only cheese one.
Oh. Gracie, what are you doing there? Show me. Oh. Push it in and then show us how it spins. Turn it around.
Turn around. Or push.
Oh.
Put the lever up. Ready? Put the lever up. You have to put some Play-Doh in it first.
Definitely needs parents' assistance for younger kids.
Put a big piece of Play-Doh in it.
Oh. Can we let sister demonstrate? Let Cadence demonstrate.
So this is supposed to be a cheese grater.
All right, show us how it makes cheese.
You have to spin it. There's supposed to be cheese coming out.
Oh, look.
I think we're supposed to put a plate down.
I think you were supposed to put a plate down too. That would be cheddar cheese, correct?
Yes.
Now you do have to make sure you clean out the inside pretty good or it gets clogged right away.
Yeah. Okay, I really think it's done.
It came with a bunch of little utensils. What utensils did it come with?
It came with a cutter.
Pizza slicer.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be silver.
It's reversed colors. See, it is that color on the box, and it looks like this. Oh, well. Grace, are you making more cheese? Can Sissy show us how it smashes the dough?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Here, Sissy's going to show Mommy how you make the dough. Or not.
Okay. I think she got it stuck. There. I can show you how. Wait, where's the pushy thingy? The smashed garlic.
Oh, the Grace, where'd it go? Did you guys have it?
Last night.
Huh. We're missing a piece. It's got a little oh, let's see if it shows it. Doesn't even oh yeah. This is the one they're looking for. It's a little like garlic press or something.
Yeah.
And it's missing. Well, my guess is that somebody with little hands walked off with it.
Oh, there's the card. And that came with a roller.
There's another. It's got little recipe cards.
Yeah, there's one recipe.
This is a pizza that appears to have chocolate, pretzels, marshmallows, strawberries. Very interesting. I'm going to say this is a dessert pizza.
Yeah. And then it has one on the back too.
Yeah.
And it has another one. This one has eggs on it.
Grace, make a pizza dough. Make the crust.
It comes with a roller.
Mm-hmm.
It came with 3 plates.
It came with 2 plates, actually. The other one's over here. And it does definitely need adult assembly.
Yeah. Gotta spin it. Almost. Spin it. I mean, it's difficult.
Gracie, can Mommy make a pizza crust? Let me see. Ignore Sergeant Thumper over there in the corner.
Yeah.
He has an itch. Knock it off.
Hey.
Stop that.
I threw my tortilla.
Stop.
It's because I threw my tortilla earlier.
Can I make a pizza quest? Okay, let mommy see. I fixed.
I fixed.
Or not. Okay, where is the dough? All right, so apparently we're still learning how to do this. Let me see. Oh, hold on. So I'm gonna roll it into a ball here. And then we're gonna, I think that's too, we'll smash it on here a little bit.
Mommy, there's Play-Doh in here.
And then, what do? We push it in.
Yep.
And then,
Pull this down.
and this could be kind of hard for, okay, hold on, Grace, for younger kids, okay? And then, and it spins out the pizza. Oh, don't take my dough. That's my pizza crust. Oh, we got pizza crust with the Play-Doh symbol on the bottom. Or, all right, we can put the, oh, she's stealing my crust.
Isn't that gonna be hot? So why don't we just do this?
Technically, we should have did that, and Mom just
Kind of
covered the camera.
Yeah.
And it's got a bunch of little,
like molds.
little molds. You can make different pieces of food. I think that's a piece of shrimp.
I think that's broccoli.
Yeah, there's broccoli.
I don't know.
I still think the coolest part is the cheese grater.
Yeah.
And then can I show them the back, Gracie? Like,
Well,
it's got a bunch of little molds on the back there. Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Nope. And the cutter.
Well, can we cut the crust, Grace?
Can we cut this? Looks like someone took a bite out of it.
Okay, Grace, what are you gonna do?
Put a plate under. Put the pizza. And then grate some cheese.
Is there any cheese in there? Oh, there we go. You forgot to put the pizza sauce.
Oh. This looks like it's gonna be pink.
The age on this says ages
I don't know.
3 and up, I believe. And
Yeah.
Gracie is just a month older than being 2 years old.
Can I put the pizza?
So I definitely would say it's geared more towards probably the 4-year-old range.
And then
But it's still cute.
just gonna roll the pizza with the sauce.
Yep. All right. Say Gracie, say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
You blow kiss, go mwah.
Mwah.
Blow kiss. Mwah.
Mwah.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.